Okay, in this iridology lesson, we're going to talk about nerve rings, and they're also called stress rings or cramp rings, and you can see them in this eye. They're these lines that encircle the pupil here and radiating out from the pupil. So these are a sign of chronic nervous tension, stress, and particularly weakened myelin sheaths. These are the insulators of your nerves. And this shows that the autonomic nervous system is weakened. And this nervous system controls the heart rate, breath, digestion, sweating, sexual arousal, urination, bowel movements, and more. Um, this is caused from weak adrenal neurotransmitters. If you lose your neurotransmitters coming from the adrenals, your nervous system will go down. So nerve rings are a great indication of this. Sometimes inherited or long periods of stress and tension. When you're stressed out, your adrenals go into kind of a fight or flight mode, and they overwork themselves and get fatigued. And also, if you have acidosis in the adrenals, they get inflamed, they shut down. A weak pituitary can cause this too, because the pituitary actually controls the adrenals along with the other endocrine glands. So you have to check that. And also, diabetes can cause this as well. Some of the symptoms of a weak nervous system are, of course, anxiety, stress, tension, jitters, shakes, spasms, including lung spasms, rapid heartbeat, tightness of breath, sweaty palms, constipation, shyness, inferiority, lack of focus, ADD, ADHD, etc. Some people with this can be early signs of MS, Parkinson's, palsies, diabetes, etc. In iridology, the deeper these rings go, the more neurological damage is showing up in the eyes here. With this particular eye, you can actually see these rings cutting down through this lymphatic layer. My guess would be this is actually a blue eye. You can kind of see some of the blueness coming through. So this is all just dirty, stagnant, chronic lymph, and of course some sulfur in there that these rings are actually cutting through. So these help us diagnose more than just the lymph. The nerve ring. So the way to remedy this is to bring up your adrenal glands, of course, and they can be strengthened with the endocrine gland formulas, adrenal glandulars. You want to go after the nervous system with the brain and nerve formula, the upper circulation formula, especially if you are suspecting any kind of pituitary weakness. If you're a sensitive person, you want to relax, you want to meditate, and just get the stress out so those adrenals can, take pressure off those adrenals and they'll come up more. Of course, chamomile tea is good to relax you, valerian roots, skullcap, things like that. Now, if your blood pressure, the upper number is below 115, you could consider using a New Zealand glandular. These are very powerful, either the 200s or the 400s, in order to jumpstart those adrenals to get more neurotransmitters. Okay, so I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.